In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check in online Agoda. Start by opening the Agoda website. On the homepage, you'll see several options across the top. There are sections for hotels, flights, homes, and apartments, flight plus hotel packages, activities, and airport transfers. These help you plan your trip end to end, but for getting your stay set up online, we'll focus on hotels. Click Hotels to bring up the main search box. In the destination field, type where you're heading, city, region, or a specific property if you already know it. Next, open the calendar to set your check-in and check-out dates. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct month and year and that your nights match your plans. Then, adjust your guests and rooms, choose how many adults, add any children if needed, and set the number of rooms. Getting this right now ensures the results you see match your party size. When your destination, dates, and room setup look good, click Search. Agoda will display available places to stay that fit your criteria. Browse the list, look at photos, location, and recent reviews, and pay attention to key details like whether breakfast is included, the cancellation policy, and any taxes or fees added at checkout. When you find one that suits your needs, select it to open the property page, then choose Book to move forward. You'll be taken into the booking flow. Click Continue Booking to proceed to the details screen. Here, enter the customer information exactly as it appears on a government-issued ID. Accuracy matters because properties may check these details at arrival. If there's a space for special requests, like a late arrival, add a brief note, keeping in mind that requests are subject to availability. Next, fill in your payment information. Make sure the card you use is valid for your travel dates and supported for online or international transactions if applicable. Double-check the total price, currency, and any deposit or prepayment notes before you continue. If you see options like Pay Now or Pay at the property, choose the one that best matches your plans and the property's terms. When everything is correct, click Book Now to finalize. You should receive a confirmation on screen and by email. Save or screenshot your booking confirmation so it's handy at check-in. Before you travel, review the property's check-in time and identification requirements and keep your confirmation accessible in case you're offline. That's it. Your Agoda booking is complete and you're all set for a smooth arrival.